Superstay MAC ink is really super stay. I have no doubt that this is going to be one of the best of 2022 eyeliners. Very interesting looking comb. It has a nice like whoop. I love this for creating volume. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It is February now. By the time you guys are watching this, I think it is past mid-Feb, I don't know. I did a roundup best of 2021 product. Here are some of the items that didn't make it to that list. I don't really have a lot of new items to share this time, but here are some of the things that I've been loving and using a lot. And because you guys know I just moved into my new place, right? I didn't manage to bring every single thing with me. So if I brought these items with me and have been using them for the past 3 weeks, that shows a lot. So without further ado, let's get started with makeup. So the first thing is my Clinique Even Better Makeup SPF 15 PA 2+. So I used to love this foundation a lot, and I completely forgot about it until I was going through my makeup stash and deciding which one to bring with me to tide by the first few weeks in the new house, and I decided to pull out this one. So long wearing, very nice on dry skin because it gives you that bit of moisture, but it's not extra glowy. It's medium to full coverage, and once you set it with powder, it is actually really flawless without the extra weight. With Clinique foundations, they are very underrated, and if you are someone with problematic skin or skin that is usually very dry, have a lot of dry flakes, creases, you can try a skincare brand's foundation. Next up, I have my MAC Lisa Collection Brushstroke 24-Hour Liner. This is such a good eyeliner. You guys know I love my dark black liquid liners, and honestly there's so many good ones in the market, but this one really stands out. I have no doubt that this is going to be one of the best of 2022 eyeliners. So this one is the MAC Lisa collection with the special packaging, but you guys can get this as this is a permanent item on the list. It's a really perfect length when it comes to the tip. It's very sharp. You get one stroke opacity like this. It's very beginners friendly, very smudge proof, waterproof. I'm able to create very precise lines even on my lower lashes. So I like to draw fake lashes with this one, and it's just such good quality. Like, I don't even know how to talk about it, like how else to rave more about this, but go and try this. It's not going to bleed, it's not going to move around. Very easy to use. Also from the MAC Lisa collection, I love my Melba blush. So I've been using this quite a lot, especially as a point. Sometimes when I want to layer my blushes, I will go in with a very muted color like my NARS Behave, and then to highlight the apples of my cheek, I'll go in with this right in the center, and it really is such concentrated pigment. It's very easy to blend, and it just suits all skin tones. Highly recommend Melba. It's also a permanent item on the line, so you can go and check it out. Lipsticks. So these two have been on rotation for the entire month until today. I'm still using them. This is my Maybelline Marvel Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 210 Versatile. So I like to layer this on the bottom. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink is really super stay. Like, it really will not budge all the way until the end of the day. So I like to use this as my base color, so that any color that I put on top of it, if I eat anything and if it rubs off, I still have this on my bottom layer. It matches so well with your pinks, your reds, your plums, and even just with the clear gloss, it looks very beautiful. Next up, from Amuse, I got this when I was in Seoul. This is the number 6 Singjangmi lip tint. So I really love this color. If you guys watch my Korea haul, you have seen this, and I was wearing this in that video as well, so you can see the beautiful MLBB shade of it. It's a very interesting moussey texture. As you can see, it doesn't have a lot of pigmentation, but it leaves a nice stain on the lips, and it has a nice film gloss balm kind of feeling. So if you have dry lips, go for this. Lastly, I have my Claire de Peau translucent loose powder. This one is such a luxurious loose powder, as you can see. Anything Claire de Peau, when it comes to their face stuff, it's like top notch, okay? So this one comes with a huge puff. Look how big it is. I can put 4 fingers into the puff, and it's really thick and very plush. I love touching up my makeup with it. I love setting my skin with it. It's able to blur out my skin, give me that very flawless, poreless look. And if you're someone with dry patches, pores, or textures and wrinkles, you would really love this because it just blurs out all of the imperfections. Alright, so that is it for makeup. Now it's time for skincare. Unfortunately, I didn't bring these 2 products with me today. I don't know why I forgot, but I have been loving the Abib Jericho Rose Serum. Really, really good for hydration, and it's actually very lightweight. It's not thick at all, but it gives my skin a very nice, deep nourishment, hydration kind of a feeling. And I've been using it. I'm like down to my half bottle already, and I love it. I also love the mask. So they also came out with this new Jericho Fit mask. It looks super beautiful from the packaging, and it gives you hydration, it gives you calming, it gives you soothing properties, but at the same time it has no fragrance, it's sensitive skin friendly, and I also really love the quality of the sheet mask. The material doesn't scratch the skin and it doesn't give you more abrasion. Highly recommend that, especially if you have dry skin and you are looking for something to kind of hydrate but without the weight or grease. Go for the Jericho Fit one. Next up, hair. I've got this one. So you guys probably seen this in my hair tutorials lately. So I got this off of Shopee. Very interesting looking comb. Okay, look at it. It has like holes in the middle. Hair bristles are very like separated. They're not dense. So I love this for creating volume. It's amazing for just pushing your hair this way. So you can see like you can create a very high crown. It has a nice like whoop, do your hair dryer hot for about 3 seconds and blast the cold air for about 3 seconds. Hold it there, and when you release it, your hair is gonna have a very nice airy volume to it. And because there are holes everywhere, it allows the hot and the cold air to kind of like reach the hair and hold its shape. It's so affordable. I even got one for Cheryl. Can't wait to hear her reviews on that. Next up, I have this cute little favorite. This is my Nimbot D110 sticker label machine. Obviously, because I'm shifting house, I was like, I need to buy some supplies to label my things. I got this off of Carousel. So this is the D110. If I'm not wrong, they have another like version. It's very simple to use. It's very, very clean and sleek. Just click on this button over here and it pairs via Bluetooth to your phone. You have to download the Nimbot app, and then over there you can customize your stickers, and it just prints right out and you can stick them on anything. The refills are also pretty affordable as well, and you can get them all over like Shopee, Carousel and stuff. It's USB-C chargeable, and it comes with a small little charger like that. If you're a fan of like labeling things, or even scrapbooking, or like if you're going back to school and you want to like put your name on your exercise book or whatever, this is a very nice way too. Okay, last but not the least, I have this bag that I want to talk about, and you guys have probably seen so many people on the streets carry this. This is the famous Charles & Keith Gabin bag. Maybe one day I should do a what's in my bag with this bag. I'm not sure. I've been loving this a lot. This is the genuine leather one. So I was also able to kind of monogram my name, my initials here, M.C. Really love the shape of it. It's also very versatile, very easy to carry. It matches with everything because it's black and it has gold hardware. Just open it up and you have a small compartment at the front where I put my cards and a zipper compartment at the back. Quality is also really good, very sturdy, holds its shape, and you also have this very convenient pocket because I just like to shove my phone in here, especially now with like safe entry everywhere. I love to like just be able to access my phone anytime, anywhere like that. Yay! Oh, and they come in a huge range of colors and textures and materials as well, so you guys can go and check out Charles & Keith for this. So that is it for this month's favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Happy February or happy March. I don't know when you guys are going to see this, but I'll leave everything in the description box below and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!